Picture this: you're sitting at a stoplight, your car is idling, but instead of that steady hum, the engine starts revving up and down erratically. It's like your car is impatiently tapping its foot, but what's really going on under the hood? In today's video, we're going to explore why your engine might be revving up and down while idling and what you can do to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the possible causes and solutions to this frustrating problem. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what idling is. When your car is idling, the engine is running but the car isn't moving. A well-functioning engine should maintain a steady RPM, revolutions per minute, during idle, usually between 600 and 1000 RPM depending on the vehicle. If your engine is revving up and down, it's an indication that something is disrupting this balance. But what could it be? Common causes of erratic idle. One of the most common causes of an erratic idle is a vacuum leak. Your engine relies on a precise mixture of air and fuel, and a vacuum leak can throw that balance off. A cracked or loose vacuum hose can allow excess air into the engine, causing the RPMs to fluctuate. To check for this, you can use a simple method: spray some soapy water around the vacuum hoses while the engine is running. If you see bubbles forming, you've likely found the leak. The idle air control valve, or IACV, regulates the amount of air bypassing the throttle plate, helping to maintain a stable idle speed. If this valve gets dirty or starts to fail, it can cause the engine to rev up and down as it struggles to maintain the correct idle speed. Cleaning or replacing the IACV can often resolve the issue. Your throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine. Over time, carbon buildup can cause the throttle body to become sticky or even partially blocked, leading to erratic idling. Cleaning the throttle body with a throttle body cleaner can often restore smooth operation. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this information to the ECU, engine control unit, to adjust the fuel mixture accordingly. If the MAF sensor is dirty or failing, it can send incorrect data, causing the engine to rev inconsistently. Cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor might be necessary. The exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve helps reduce emissions by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine cylinders. If the EGR valve gets stuck open or clogged, it can cause the engine to idle roughly, with RPMs fluctuating up and down. Inspecting and cleaning the EGR valve can resolve this issue. A problem in the fuel system, such as a clogged fuel filter, faulty fuel pump, or dirty fuel injectors, can cause an irregular fuel supply to the engine, resulting in fluctuating RPMs. Ensuring the fuel system is clean and operating correctly can prevent idle problems. To accurately diagnose why your engine is revving up and down, you may need to use an OBDII scanner. This tool can read the error codes from your car's ECU, pointing you toward the specific issue causing the problem. If you're not comfortable diagnosing the issue yourself, it's always a good idea to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic. They can quickly identify the problem using more advanced diagnostic tools.